Namaste and hello from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. From today, I'll start the series of lessons on parts of speech. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick introduction to the 8 parts of speech. In the following lessons, we will learn in detail about each part of speech. Words. We use words when we speak or write a language. Each word has a different job title and each one has a different work to do. English words are of 8 kinds. These 8 kinds of words are the 8 parts of speech. The term parts of speech. The term parts of speech refers to the role a word plays in a sentence. Let's take a brief look at each part of speech. The first part of speech is noun. What's a noun? Most of you will remember this very easily. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or an idea. Person, man, woman, Raja, Rani, teacher, place, India, Mumbai, Japan. Animal, cat, dog, lion. Thing, house, spoon, knife, cup, shop. Idea, happiness, love, peace. Take a look at this example. Shruti went to Norway on vacation with her family last year. So what's the noun here? Shruti, Norway, vacation. Yes, vacation is a noun. Your summer vacations, winter vacations. Vacation is holiday, holiday time. It's a time away from work or study. Family, it's a noun. Family is a group of related people who live together. Year, it's a noun. Year is a period of 365 days or 12 months. So what are the nouns in this sentence? Shruti, Norway, vacation, family, year. Got it? So let's move on. Coming to the second part of speech now, and that is pronoun. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that replace a noun, like I, we, she, he, it, they, them. What does replace mean? Replaces means it takes the place of a noun. Take a look at this example. Prithvi is at his house with Prithvi's parents. Prithvi enjoys spending time with Prithvi's parents. How does it sound? So tacky, so foolish. Why? The problem is Prithvi is repetitive. To avoid repetition and make our speech sound more natural, we use pronouns. So let's check out Prithvi now. Prithvi is at his house with his parents. He enjoys spending time with them. How does it sound? Pleasing, natural, not repetitive? Right. Moving on now to the third part of speech, adjective. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. It gives information about a noun or pronoun. It's like a seasoning on your dish, a tadka, a vagarne, to add flavor to your nouns and pronouns. Think about your favorite movie. How would you describe it to a friend who has never seen it? You might say the movie was funny, engaging, well written. When you are describing the movie with these words, you are using adjectives. Take a look at these examples now. I have a dog. Okay, so what? I have a black dog. So now how did I describe the dog? With the color black. What's the color of my dog? Black. Sia drives a car. Let's add some flavor to it. Describe the car. Sia drives a wonderful big yellow sports car. What's your opinion of the car? Wonderful. What size? Big. What color? Yellow. What type? Sports. How was the description? Great. Have you noticed one more adjective? A. A and the are articles in English, also known as determiners. But articles are also adjectives because they give us information about the nouns. A car, one car, a singular countable noun. Got it? Yes. Coming on to the most important part of speech, verb. Verbs. The most important words in the English language for two reasons. First, every sentence in English must have a verb. You cannot have sentences without verbs in English. Second, only verbs have tenses. Present tense, past tense, future tense. We talk about different times with these tenses. Verbs are words that describe specific actions or a state, a situation. Take a look at this sentence. Raya plays tennis 4 times a week. I am a teacher. I am happy. Let's check out on the difference. In the first sentence, there's a physical action. Play. Raya plays. So that's the physical action. In the second sentence, it's a state or a situation. I am a teacher. I am happy. I am a teacher. I am happy. So the verb here is am. Sarah ran to school because she was late. What's the verb here? Ran. Shruti loves to bake cookies. The verb here? Bake. Right, you got it. Let's move on to the next part of speech. This part of speech has a lot of work to do. It's very busy, you see. Also very talented. Gives a lot of information. And it is the adverb. Adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverb too is a flavoring agent. Loves to describe. I ran to my house. I ran quickly to my house. How did I run? Quickly. Got it? That's the adverb. That watch is expensive. That watch is very expensive. How expensive? Very expensive. So what's the adverb? Very. Yesterday evening, I took my dog for a walk. We walked somewhat slowly in a very beautiful garden. Now listen to this properly. When did the action walk happen? Yesterday. How did we walk? Slowly. How slowly did we walk? Somewhat. How beautiful. Very. Now take a quick look at the adverbs in the sentence. Yesterday, slowly, somewhat, very. Moving on to the next part of speech, preposition. Prepositions tell you the relationship between the other words in a sentence, like to, with, on, in, over. We went to school on Monday. We went where? To school. So there's a relationship here. We went and to school. So to is the preposition. When? On Monday. On. The girl with the long hair is Ruby. She lives in our complex. The word that relates the girl and hair, with. Where does she live? In our complex. So what are the prepositions here? With, in. Moving on to conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that join together words, phrases, or sentences like and, but, so, because, if, or, although. Conjunctions are like the links that join railway wagons together. You can call them as connectors. Tara and Yasmin are best friends. So, what's the connector here? And. I didn't go to school today. Why? I didn't go to school today because I don't feel very well. So, what's the connector here? Because. Got it? And the last part of speech, interjection. What are interjections? Actually, they are words that have no real meaning, but they help us to show sudden emotion, excitement, surprise, amazement. Wow, ouch, oops, hey, hi. Wow, beautiful flowers. Hey, John, over here. Ouch, that hurts. Hi, how are you? Interjections are used more commonly in speech and less in writing. When we write them, we usually put an exclamatory mark. So that's it about the 8 parts of speech. Now, let's take a quick recap. We started with nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, or an idea. A pronoun replaces a noun. Adjectives are words that give information about nouns or pronouns. A verb is a word that shows an action or a state. Adverbs give us information about verbs, adjectives, and even other adverbs. Prepositions are words that show a relationship in time, place, or position. Conjunctions are words that help us to connect the connectors. And finally, interjections are words that have no real meaning but they help us to show sudden emotions. So, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Remember to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.